In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom invoice template in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the full process of creating and customizing an invoice template so it matches your business style and presents your billing information clearly and professionally. This is a useful feature if you want your invoices to look more polished, stay consistent with your brand, and include the layout details that work best for your clients. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can access all your business settings and document options. Next, click the settings icon. This is where Zoho Books stores the configuration options for templates, preferences, and other account level tools. After opening settings, go to templates and then select invoices. This will take you to the section where your existing invoice templates are stored and where you can create a new one. Now, click the New button to begin building a custom invoice template. Zoho Books will usually provide a selection of template styles to choose from, so select the invoice template you want to customize. It's a good idea to start with a style that's already close to the look you want, since that can save time during editing. Once you've chosen a base design, enter a template name so it's easy to identify later. Then configure the paper size, orientation, and margins. These settings affect how the invoice will appear when viewed digitally or printed, so make sure they match your preferred format and the way you typically send invoices. After that, move into the design customization area. Here, you can modify the font, background, and header to better reflect your branding. You can also adjust the invoice fields and the item table layout. This is where you control how information is displayed, including the placement and presentation of billing details, line items, and totals. As you make changes, try to keep the design clean and easy to read. A professional invoice should look attractive, but it should also make the important information stand out clearly. When your edits are complete, preview the template. This step is important because it lets you review the overall design and catch any spacing, alignment, or formatting issues before saving. Take a moment to make sure everything looks balanced and readable. If everything looks good, click Save to store your new invoice template. If you want this design to be used automatically going forward, you can also set it as the default invoice template. That way, every new invoice will follow this format unless you choose a different one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.